Hello kids! Welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Red color, blue color, orange color, green color, chocolate color, pink color, and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, and square. Now let's draw the shapes. This is triangle. Next, circle. Next kids, heart. Next, star. Next, pentagon. Next, square. Now we're going to put the color. Pink color, triangle. Next, chocolate color, circle. Next, red color, heart. Next, orange color, star. Next, green color, pentagon. Next, blue color, square. What we learn? We learn pink color, triangle, chocolate color, circle, red color, heart, orange color, star, green color, pentagon, and blue color, square. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.